Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Been a couple of weeks since I made a video. Been working a bunch. Weather been bad. But today's going to be one of the more expensive videos I've done. Went and bought me a new computer. As you can see over here, my other computer's not here. It died. Had the motherboard go out in it and the hard drive went out in it. So I've got a little one sitting here and it doesn't do what I need it to do, so I bought one. So been hackintoshing for quite a while, but we're gonna go for a real true Mac computer today. So got a 2020 M1 Macbook Air, 16 gig, 1 terabyte model. It is the 7 GPU core, which is the base model, but I did up the memory and the drive storage, so it's gonna be good. And we'll bring you down here. We'll do an unboxing and set it up and review it a little bit. And I hope it's going to be one that's going to last a long time because it was kind of expensive. So, but anyway, let's get down here and look at it. All right, so we got the box here. It's just a brown box. Came all the way from California in one day. Wow. So I got my trusty knife. Thank you, Mr. Ryan. Open this joker up. I always get excited when new technology comes in. And there's the MacBook Air. Now I did buy this off the refurbished site, so that saved me $300 off of it. So I got the 13-inch. It's 16 gig, 1 terabyte. Barely can see it, but let's see if it's got a pull strap right in here somewhere. There it is. Here so you can see it. That'll work. It does say Apple certified refurbished. I bought several machines off their refurbished site and had no problem. They really do a good job on the refurb stuff. Better than I'm doing unboxing. All right. So here's the MacBook Air itself. Got a little pull tab. And I bought an 8 gig MacBook Air M1 for my mother-in-law back in January. And she's been enjoying that. So I have a video on that. It's up here somewhere. So we have the 30 watt charger, USB-C, and have a nice USB to USB-C cable wrapped up. And then we have the instructions and we have the Apple stickers, and they're space gray to match the space gray MacBook Air. And that's all you get. So we'll unpeel this. The Apple packaging is just something else. Now this is a good looking little device. We have, hope you can see that. We have 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4. One's charging and one's for input output, and we have a headphone jack. All right, well, let's get down here on the desk and set it up. Okay, so here I am on my messy desk, and we got this. Now I said it was a USB-C Thunderbolt 4. I think it's USB 4 Thunderbolt on these ports. So if you can see them here, right there. I'm trying to watch myself over. So we're going to open it up. Oh my. Starts up immediately. Now, the one thing I like about the MacBook Air, we have a 2011 MacBook Air that we bought brand new in 2011. And it's still running. I've changed out a couple of parts in the battery, but it's still got the same SSD. The whole bit's been...
English as the main language. Press the return key.
Well, bless you. So, and it's been running for 10 years on the same SSD. Now, I spent, with the Apple Care, $14.99. That's what I spent on this with the Apple Care. So we're going to go through the setup on this little guy. We'll try to find the United States, because that's where I is. And one thing that's nice about this, it does come up after you select your language and your country, it comes up with the accessibility. I wish I could record the screen right now, I would. But if you're hearing impaired, vision impaired, got cognitive problems, motor skill problems, they have a lot of different things that you can set up on this to help you with that. So I'm going to set up my Wi-Fi. And I'll skip through this so y'all won't see my password. All right, now we're back. Data and privacy, we'll go through that. Migration assistant, you can go from a Mac, Time Machine, startup disk, or from a Windows PC, which I haven't done it yet. I would love to do that to see. I may try that one day just for the heck of it, just to see how good it does it. But I'm going to do not now. All right, I'm going to skip through putting in my Apple ID, but I am going to do that. Okay, I'm back. I just created a computer account, put my password in. It's about to come a real bad storm outside, so I may end up losing the whole mess here in just a second. So. Okay, I'm going to do Find My Mac. On the Express setup, I'm going to enable location services. I'll share the analytics with Apple, but the crash data, I mean, it very seldom crashes. I'm not going to worry about that. Screen time, set up later, don't really care about it. We're going to enable SIRI. I'll do that. Lights just flickered. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the Documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? All right, I'm not going to share audio recordings. Boy, the keyboard and trackpad on this thing are just, look how big the trackpad is, and it's just as smooth as it can be, and the keyboard is just right. I really like this. Let's see, I'm going to let FileVault have the disk for encryption. I'm going to go ahead and set up Touch ID. So this does have Touch ID right here in this corner. I wish it had Face ID, but with the thinness of the lid, Face ID requires a bigger lens on the camera. And I wish to goodness they would do that. I don't care that it's that thin. All right, Touch ID is really quick. We'll do We'll do Apple Pay later. I'll let it do auto during the day. It'll be light colored, and then when in the evenings it'll be dark. So or the theme, look, whatever you call it. True Tone display, I like that. I like it on my iPad Pro. And that's one of the things, you still need a computer even if you have an iPad Pro, if you are a kind of a power user or whatever. And when my computer died and everything, I had to do something else. So I'm gonna keep the iPad Pro and use it too. It's just I needed a computer. That took all of 4 minutes to set up, and it's ready to go. Everything's looking good. So I've got several videos that I want to do that have to do with this computer. You know, setting it up, using softwares, the little tweaks that I do to a Mac to make it work good, how to make it work with a, oh, come here. Goodness. How to make it work with an external hard drive and a little dock. You know, how to make it do that, how to edit videos on it, how to edit photos and whatnot. It's a very powerful machine, and I think I can do it. Very cool little machine. I really like it. When I set my mother-in-law's up, I said, boy, I'd like to have one of those. Because this machine does not have a fan. Our 10-year-old MacBook Air has a fan, and it comes on all the time. My Dell laptop over here sounds like it's about to blow up. I mean, it's fixing to take off all the time. So, but I'm gonna make several videos on what I do to set these up and everything, and I hope to edit the video that I'm making right now on it. So we're gonna try it. But anyway, if y'all like these kind of videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down there, and hit the little bell to be notified. 612 subscribers right now. Numbers coming up, but I got to get back to making videos. So, and hopefully after all this rain and my work kind of settles down a little bit, I'll get back to doing some fishing too. So, 'cause I'm really missing out on that. But anyway, until the next video, thanks for watching. Computer, 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 computer.